there. So that is a big step.
The Dorbar of Ki Waheh Jaintia met with the chief executive member of Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council Thombor Shiwat yesterday to address the pending issues. During the meeting, CM assured the Dorbar that an executive order would be issued within a few days to officially recognize all Kurs, office bearers and heads of Senkur within the JHAC boundaries, led by the President Kro El Pariat and Vice President Perkhat Shila. The delegation, including women representatives, emphasized the importance of the Dorbar's concerns. In a statement to the media, Pariat expressed disappointment in the lack of response from the JHAC Executive Committee since 2022. CM Thombor Shiwat acknowledged the urgency of the matter and assured that the Council is actively working towards a resolution. The College of Postgraduate Studies in Agriculture